Tell me to my face. Speak it to me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and this is my first video for 3, 2, 1. Get it? 3, 2, 1. In these videos, I'm going to give you short phrases or sentences which I feel will be helpful when traveling to Ghana as a tourist and you'd like to communicate with the locals. So just common sentences and phrases that you may need when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into this video, I need you guys to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. It's free of charge, and really what you gain from it, the blessings that come with it, is just, I need to subscribe, I need to like and comment. And if you can't think of a comment, I've made it so simple for you guys. Leave an emoji, leave a love heart, leave a smiley, even leave the flag of the country you're watching me from. Leave something to bring me up on the YouTube spiritual realm. Right, let's get into today's translation. So today's translation is take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. And how you would say that is Shre wohusu ye. Shre wohusu ye. Shre wohusu ye. Right, let's break it down. Shre, if you're saying someone is shreing something, obi shre bibia, they are looking. So look. Wohu, if you're familiar with wohu to sing, is about your body, yourself, you as a human being, and ye means well. So literal translation, it's like look yourself well, but it really means look after yourself well, take care or stay safe. Shre wuhusu ye. Shre wuhusu ye. Shre wuhusu ye. Last time, shre wuhusu ye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.